Former Chief Minister and leader of opposition Bhupen Singh Hooda has termed the increase in support price of crops announced by the government for Kharif session as inadequate. He says that compared on the way the farmers' cost has increased in the last 1 year, this increase is like cumin in the camel's mouth. Congress MLA from NIT Faridabad Neeraj Sharma has urged to make Sunflag Hospital in Sector 16 a super specialty hospital under ESIC. For this, Sharma has met Union Minister of State for Labour Santosh Gangwar and demanded that they should take effective steps in the direction of acquiring Sunflag Hospital from Haryana government with immediate effect in the interest of the workers of Faridabad and Gurugram industrial area. British Prime Minister Boris Johnson on Friday gave the Tokyo Olympics a show of public support at a meeting with Japan's Yoshihide Suga and welcomed efforts to ensure the games can take place safely. Attacking the centre, Congress leader Priyanka Gandhi Vadra on Friday said a lot could have been done, including procuring vaccine for all with the money collected in the taxes on petrol and diesel during the COVID-19 pandemic, but nothing was done. In the shadow of the Taj Mahal, shoemaker Shyam Babu Nigam worked for years to save enough money to buy his wife Anju a small house with a view of the iconic 17th century mausoleum. The IMD has forecast heavy rain orange alert at isolated place in the city for the weekend and alert for extremely heavy rains have been issued for Monday. The IMD said they are closely observing the climate. Frowning at comments allegedly made by Mumbai Mayor Kishori Pednekar following the Malad building collapse that killed 12 residents, Bombay High Court on Friday expressed its displeasure at being blamed by civic authorities for building collapses. There have been export bans for several G7 member countries that block production in other countries and sometimes block production in middle income countries, which is essential for production of vaccine for poorest country. It will take just an example, India. The civic administration in Mumbai informed Bombay High Court on Friday that it was not the one who administered the vaccine at home to a senior politician in Mumbai and that it has sought permission on Thursday from the central government to conduct door-to-door vaccination for the severely ill, bedridden citizen or other homebound due to any kind of disability. Katrina Kaif often makes headlines for her stunning photos. The actress enjoys a massive fan following on Instagram and likes to share pictures and videos. Recently, she took to her Instagram handle to share a stunning pictures of herself.